Hey everyone, we're here live at CRETech or CRETech that Mr. Beckerman puts on, and we are blessed to have Matt Knight here, super connector in real estate. Tell us, Matt, welcome first off.
Thank you.
Amazing work that you've done here. You brought together a bunch of different founders. Can you tell us a little bit about your work here and some of the work that you're doing at the broader scheme?
Sure. Foundation for Innovation in Real Estate, or FIRE, is a nonprofit 501c3 started by Second Century Ventures, and it's meant to be sort of raising the tide, lifting all boats at PropTech. And so we built a booth right over your shoulder here that's all for hardware, robotics, and materials. So people that have physical innovations, we call it our petting zoo. So you can come and feel and touch things that go into buildings instead of, I have no problem with software, but we got lots of software, a little bit more hardware.
Love it. You're doing the things that need to be done, especially when it comes to infrastructure in our country. I think you collaborate a lot. I hear that from different founders and different investors. So tell me a little bit about, what you see and what are you excited about in 2025? Maybe around some things you're working on.
The capital, money is nice. It seems like there's more of a budget for investing, donating, running programs, sponsoring. A lot of people are pushing me to January next year, which is great. Excited about 2025. Obviously, everybody wants to talk about AI, so we're going to see more of the contenders versus pretenders next year, I think. But I still think we're seeing a lot more hardware. We're seeing a lot of cool things in materials, innovation around climate, recycle, circular economy, things like that. I think that's going to be a big trend.
And PropTech has always been this area, and you'll see people, who have been through cycles say, "Oh, PropTech's being in," or they're more excited about PropTech than ever. Tell me your thesis around PropTech and the greater real estate area. Do you have a thesis and a viewpoint? Because I think you're pretty optimistic, right?
Still pretty bullish. Yeah, I mean, just like any financial market, when prices are depressed is when you should be buying.
Yeah.
The prices are depressed, and it's different in different sectors of PropTech. But in general, harder to raise money, harder to get high valuations, harder to justify old valuations, which means opportunity for investors like us that like investing in startups. So, in addition to the foundation, some of my investing is being more aggressive now. There we see more opportunities and better prices.
One little tidbit. You were an athlete. How do you think about founders, VC, real estate? Do you have any kind of sharing from your focus as an athlete and how it applies to entrepreneurship?
It's nice to call me an athlete. Played a sport. I think it's just about training and preparing yourself. Like everything comes with preparation.
Yeah.
So the way we lifted weights and ran and conditioned, there's a lot of that with being a founder as well. A lot of founders neglect their mental health. They'll go work out and then not work on their, calming their mind and dealing with stress and anxiety. So one of the things we did at FIRE is we started a mental health program where we paid for founders to take mental health hours in therapy from licensed therapists.
Right.
Because I don't think people really prep their minds the way they prep their bodies.
Yeah.
So that's probably one.
Appreciate you, Matt. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for being here.
Cheers.
Yes.